If you live in Brooklyn, you're marinating in Judaism. So, schools were closed on the Jewish holidays. As I got older, my friends, we would congregate outside of some synagogue, um, especially as a teenager, because there'd be boys. You know, we would congregate, get all dressed up and congregate. Um, we lived in a neighborhood that was sort of mixed. It was Irish Catholic and Jewish. And my mother's only attitude was on the Jewish holidays, don't do anything that makes it look like, we're not observant. You don't want to influence some of the Irish Catholic people to think like, oh, well, it's a Jewish holiday. We don't have to pay attention to it. But schools were closed, and, you know, there was Judaism everywhere. There was Jewish food everywhere. There were Jewish kids everywhere. It was very easy to be Jewish and not be religious.